Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. For anybody new here, my name is Brianne, and if you're returning, then welcome back. And this is my first travel vlog, so I'm real excited. And we are in Dominican Republic, Punta Cana. So the hotel that we stayed at is called Ocean El Faro in Punta Cana. And guys, can we get into how beautiful this hotel is? Like guys, look at it. Because I was on a family vacation, more than anything, I was really just relaxing and enjoying myself. So I don't really know how this vlog is gonna come out or what the format's gonna be. If you guys had me on Snap, then you know I was enjoying myself. But we're gonna see how this comes out, so let's get straight into the video. Where are we? Near the beach. No, I'm saying what country are we in?
Oh, Dominican Republic, Punta Cana.
2024. Guys, welcome back to the vlog, and we are in Punta Cana, Dominican Republic. This is the view from my room. Very, very cute. I love it. Okay, now guys, this is the view from the top of a lighthouse. The lighthouse was on the resort, but guys, look at the view. I feel like a lot of this vlog is just gonna be me admiring how nice everything looks, because this is so beautiful. Hey guys, welcome back to the vlog, and I just came back to show you guys my outfit. So I'm about to go to the pool, and I'm relaxing with my family, but I thought let me just show you guys my fit. So yeah, this piece is from Shein. Hey guys, so I'm in the pool right now, and the bar is over there. That's where the bar is. So yeah. I don't know if you guys can even hear me, but my brother's playing volleyball in the pool over there, and then me and my mum are going to go and get some body cream, because obviously when you're in the pool your skin gets dry. But guys, look at the view. Guys, this hotel is literally massive. So obviously I'm at an all-inclusive resort. This is just like the kids section, but I just thought it looked really pretty, so I should show you guys some more footage of what it looks like. But guys, it's so spacious and beautiful, and there's nobody here right now, and it's literally the middle of the day because there's loads of activities to do here, so everyone's kind of out doing stuff. And now I'm on my way to go and find a photographer, so that is what we're doing right now. Okay, so this is a strip of all of the restaurants here. Some of them you have to pre-book, some of them you can just walk in. They've got dress codes as well, but they're very beautiful. Guys, I'm actually in love. Mummy, where are we going? Yes, you are. Mummy, what restaurant are we going to?
The Dolce Vita, I think.
Now, I did not vlog at every single restaurant that we went to, but here's just a little compilation of some of the food spots. So we went to an Italian place, we went to a hibachi place. We also had American, it was like a steakhouse that was real nice. And there are 2 buffets there as well. But if I'm being honest, the hibachi is definitely my favorite. The food is really good, and I've actually never been to a place where they cook in front of you, so I found it real interesting. Then after that, me and my brother went to a beach party, and they had like flamethrowers and stuff. I just thought everything was so interesting. I loved it, guys. And I am back. So obviously today is actually like day 4 in Punta Cana, and I haven't really vlogged much for the past couple of days because I've been relaxing, just enjoying the sun, looking at the views and stuff like that. There was really no point in me vlogging the mornings and the evenings because they pretty much go the same. So what it is in the morning we go to like a breakfast buffet. This resort has 2 of them, so we go to the adults only one just because it's a lot nicer. It's just a nicer vibe, it's quieter, the food is hotter and stuff like that. Then in the evening there's different restaurants that you can choose from, so we just go to whatever one we're feeling. Like yesterday we went to a hibachi restaurant. That was real good. I liked it. And guys, I've actually never been to like a hibachi place before where they cooked in front of you, so that was pretty cool. A few of the excursions and stuff got cancelled due to like the hurricane that came, but it's gone now, so it's sunny again. So my vlogs should get interesting again from today because we've got a foam party to go to, so I do need to get changed and take off my makeup. And then tomorrow we're going to the skate park, so that's fun. The outfit I'm wearing right now is pretty cute because I just took some pictures for Instagram. So this is what I'm wearing right now, but I'm not wearing this to the phone party. So I'm gonna get changed and you guys will see me at the party. Hey guys, welcome back to the vlog. Update, I almost drowned. Okay, so as you guys can tell, there was no phone party in this vlog. I did not record it, but we're at the skate park now, so we're doing some zip lining, so yeah. Hey guys, welcome back to the vlog. We are at the skate park. Say hi. Ignore how this is twisted. I don't know why this is so twisted. Anyway, yeah, we are at the skate park and we are about to go zip lining and stuff like that. So this is looking pretty fun. I'm excited. I don't know how the quality is gonna be because I've got like a plastic cover on my phone for when I go in water, so I don't really know what the quality is saying right now, but we'll find out later when I'm editing. Okay, so the skate park is very much giving adventure park vibes. There were monkeys, parrots, there were lizards, there were snakes, there was all kind of creatures you can think about. But yeah, then we went on these zip wires. Those were pretty cool. It was very high up though. Like, I'm not scared of heights, but at the same time I don't really like playing with my life like this, but it was fun. It was pretty cool. So the footage that you guys are about to see is like a mixture of my point of view and Nathaniel's point of view. So yeah, let's get straight into it.
Last, now everybody go to breakfast.
Okay, so this is where things went a little bit wrong because I didn't know that when I landed in this water, my feet would actually be nowhere near the ground. So I actually almost drowned. So as you guys can see, I had to leave my Crocs because I was just focused on trying to save my life. Like, I'm just trying to survive. Now from this video, you think I was quite a confident swimmer, but guys, I was panicking. Guys, no. And then it was Nathaniel's turn and he can actually swim, but guys, the way he fell in the water just had me laughing for ages because his phone actually fell off of him and then someone had to go in the water, go look for his phone. He did get his phone back in the end, which was good, but at first it was not looking good. It was not looking good, mate. So guys, we just went in this zip line and you go straight into the water like face first. Never done anything like that in my life because I can't swim. I don't like water, and when I tell you, you literally get dropped straight into the water and then that's it. Guys, I couldn't breathe. I tried to stand up, my feet weren't touching the ground, and I thought, that's it, I'm not coming back to London. That is it. But I can't lie, this is definitely the beginning of my traveling era. This is the most that I've vlogged this whole trip. Well, we're going to a cave swim. Guys, we saw a snake, we saw a lizard. Now we're walking on this bridge to get to the cave. This doesn't even look like we're supposed to be here. Let's be real. We found the cave, so we have to go down here.
The nation, I can tell, but I could never right my wrongs unless I write it down for real. P.S.
Guys, I'm in a cave right now. I don't even know if you guys can hear me properly. Oh my gosh, I got my earring. My earring came out. Hey guys, welcome back to the vlog. And I'm tired. I'm ready to get out of here. We've still got another 2 hours, but I've almost drowned today. I've seen too many bugs, I've seen too many insects, and I'm very tired, so I'm ready to go home. We're back to the hotel anyway. Today's my final day in Punta Cana, and I don't know what the lighting is saying right now. Because I'm underneath like one of these hot shade things, but I'm gonna try to take some pictures. I'm gonna change my outfit into something that I can take pictures in, take some pictures, and yeah, then we're gonna go out to eat. I feel like a lot of this vlog has been me just relaxing because I was gonna come here and do loads of things, but then I was like, I really just want to relax before I get back to the real world because I've just finished uni. I graduate next week, then it's my birthday, I'm starting a new job as well, so this is the time to be relaxing. So yeah, it's been a time was had for real, and I don't really know what this vlog is gonna say because I don't really know what footage I've even got at this point. I don't know how much footage I've got. I'm covered in mosquito bites right now and I am actually ready to go home, I'll be honest. I'm trying to plan some more holidays with my friends as well because I want to keep traveling really. Yeah. Hey guys, welcome back. I don't know if you can actually hear me right now because I'm by the ocean, so it's very breezy right now, but I'm just giving you guys a little live update. So I just did something that I've never done before. I brought my tripod to the beach and took my pictures by myself. So I took my Instagram pictures on my own, nobody was with me, Like no moral support, no nothing, just vibes. Took my own pictures, and I'm gonna go through them when I go back to the hotel. But first I'm gonna meet my mom to go take some pictures of her. Then I'm going to this one coffee shop that they've got here that have really nice cookies and stuff. I don't know if you guys are gonna be able to hear this, if I'm being honest, because it's very windy right now. But we'll see when I'm editing anyway. But yeah, guys, this is my last day in the Dominican Republic. I took my pictures. Now I'm relaxing on the beach for a little bit. I'm gonna meet my mom. Then I need to go back and start packing. Eating at an American restaurant tonight. So yeah, and then that is me done. And I'll be honest, I'm ready to go. I'm tired now. I've got stuff to do in the UK. I graduate next week. Got things to do. So yeah, guys, look at the view. Look at the view. It's not beautiful. I have ice cream and my mom has coconut jelly.
Okay. Final night in Punta Cana, Ocean El Faro. It's been quite good, but actually I am ready to go home, to be fair. And we're just going up to the main lobby, the reception area, just for the last night really, and then we'll be out of here tomorrow. But anyway, it's been really, really good doing this vlog, and just really reason I'm out of here. Bye.